back to Motorcycle Den, and today we are on Route 10 in Kentucky. Kentucky Route 10. It's just south of the Double-A Highway, and it pretty much runs parallel with it all the way from like Alexandria. Well, it starts. We got on it at Alexandria, and we take it usually to Maysville, and it's a gorgeous ride. Beautiful. Check out that house. Beautiful ride. So hopefully you guys will enjoy it.
There runs along the creek.
Yeah, follows the creek part of the way. Creek? Oh, creek.
Creek.
Is it a creek in Kentucky? We call it a creek, but
In Ohio. Oops, sorry. I was looking on Facebook.
yeah, but it's things are just starting to green up. I love this ride. It's pretty curvy. Until you get further east, the closer to Maysville you get, it kind of it's some slow winding curves, sweepers and stuff, but it's fairly curvy closer to Alexandria.
Yeah, you get behind the car. This time the locals fly through the corners, you know what I mean?
So much.
Maybe she was visiting, not local.
They're from Kentucky. They're a little older though. Probably. Well, I don't know that. I'm just assuming that. That's my assumption.
The way they drive?
That they're older. Yeah, I shouldn't be assuming that. I don't know.
Yeah. Maybe a mom yelling at her kids, that's why she's pulling close.
That might be. We see a hand reach back and smack somebody upside the head, then we know.
My mom would do that.
How many of you, if you were misbehaving, get a good smack upside the head?
In the car.
They could, yeah, in the car. It seemed like they could reach you no matter where you were at.
Right. Because, too, we didn't really wear seatbelts, I remember. I don't remember ever having a seatbelt on growing up.
No.
So you could get away. And the seatbelt now, you can only go so far. That time you could scoot pretty good. It didn't matter, though, you know. I sat all the way on the right side on the passenger seat. So I'd always try to, like, to push my sister up stuff.
Yeah. So she would get hit?
Yeah. Instead of me.
That was nice of you.
I knew you were itching to get around.
Yeah. I mean, they were driving 35 miles an hour.
I know.
Prepare to arrive at Sterling Point on Orion in half a mile.
Is it cheap?
Gotta watch this corner.
Yeah. That's pretty.
Yeah, beautiful view. Everything going good?
He said Mom texted him, said Kentucky borders are closed.
Really?
Yeah. I go, we're in Kentucky.
I guess we can't get back to Ohio then.
They'll probably be glad to get us out. Thing is, though, what are they going to do with people that live, work in Ohio?
Which there's a fair amount.
Right?
We was going to keep this COVID-19 free, but apparently that's impossible. So we're in Kentucky. We live in Ohio, and they said the Kentucky borders are closed. I don't know what that means. Hopefully we can get back into our state without too much problem.
They'll be like, you're Ohioans, get out of here.
Yeah, they won't want us.
Well, too, because what are they going to do with us? They got us go home.
Yeah, they'll let us
You know
through.
what I mean?
Now turn left.
We've been on this. I think I remember.
Oh yeah, we've been on this. We've been on this whole road. There's a bike. It's an older Harley. I guess since we brought it up, I would think riding is better isolation than like going hiking at a park or walking at a park, or which you see parks are packed a lot of times. I mean, yeah, you do have to stop and get gas, but you're going to do that in a car if you're going to work or going to the grocery or anything. You know, you're going to have to be able to get gas. So I mean, other than that, I mean, we're not around anybody, you know. So I don't know. What's your guys' opinion on riding? Or, you know, they want you to get out and well, I don't know. Some places may not want you to get out at all, but for what I read for Ohio, they recommended you going to a park, just keeping your 6 feet. But going for walks or whatever, not going to playground, but going for a walk. Guys, I hope you enjoyed Route 10 in Kentucky. It's a beautiful road. It's great. A lot of curves. Most of them aren't extremely sharp, so we are gonna sign off, and we'll talk to you guys later. See ya.